guys, it's 10:22 here, and today we are going to be doing a walk around video of my new project car. It is a 1996 BMW 328 IS. It is a coupe. It was a manual car. You can say it's still manual, but there's not much left of it. So let's go. So here it is. This is my BMW. I know it's not much to see. It's a really eyesore. It is, yeah. So it is a 1996. It was a manual car. This gentleman bought it. It was a clean car for him, and he bought it like 6 or 7 years ago, and he used it as a drift car. Up till 2 years ago, it then got retired. And it has been sitting since, so with the windows open, so that's why it's it is rusty now, but that's a whole part of a project car, right? So yeah, so this is it. The engine bay here, kind of like a trampoline. Yeah, the car has seen better days, but I'm going to be doing a huge project with this. It's not going to be as it is right now. Quick walk around. So he did cut out rust of the rear quarter right here. Other than that, there's no rust in the rear quarter here. So what I'm going to do, because I'm probably going to go wide body, I'm just going to cut this all out when I do that, so it'll be easier and I can redo everything. This side does have the side skirt on it, but the rockers are pretty much gone, so it's going to be another project. Basically needs everything. I've been looking for one of these chassis for the past 2-3 years for a decent price, and I actually got this one for a steal, basically. Yeah. So, we'll go around this side here. So right now it has no diff. It has some holes, as you can see right there. You can see there it's kind of rough, but other than that, it's a solid car. Frame is solid, but the floors need patchwork and obviously a bunch of work. It is a project car. So this is the interior. Yeah, that's what I thought exactly. It is rough. It did come with a dash, which I'm happy it did. I thought it came with no dash, but yeah, as you can tell, it's really dirty. It's been sitting outside for a long time. Inside, rough. I put cardboard there so when I was taking off the trailer, I could sit down. But yeah, so obviously you can tell it's missing a lot of things, so this is gonna be a journey. One thing I am happy about, it does have all glass. The only problem is that it does have a chip in the windshield right there. But it has gas tank, has everything, has no rear diff. Other than that, the car's not that bad. The stuff hanging down right there are the axles. Those were the axles. Do that so you can get a better view. It does have this welded in tube here. Kind of pretty cool. Not really. It's absolute garbage. As you can see there, right there, it's pretty bad. They welded in there. So I will be taking those out. And I will probably be doing a half cage so I can keep it somewhat legal here in Ontario. Come around this side here. All the doors open. Solid. BMW, solid. I've always loved the German car door closing sounds. It's absolutely gorgeous. So it does have power windows. I probably will be getting rid of the power windows and seeing if I can find crank windows. I'll make it lightweight as possible since it's going to be a street/track car. Other than that, yeah, there's holes right there and on the other side there. Other than that, it's mint. Oh, there's money in here. Well, I'm down. I'm up my money. Well, not really. But yeah, I'll say the price of the car after. Right there is e-brake thing he put in. Other than that, I wish it came with more of the trim, like stuff like there and there. I might just take that out. The dash is good, no cracks, just those holes there, I'm guessing for something he had. Yeah. Rear seats, there's no real like extreme amount of rust on the shock towers. Like the only amount of rust there is those like surface rust there and there and here, which is not bad at all. See if you can see under here. Yeah, so it does need one or two maybe holes patched in the frame. The torque tubes on the side here, under there, like right around there, under there needs to be patched, and the rockers. I might just cut those rockers down, put a stream straight across, and throw side skirts over it so it doesn't look that bad. And that has all wiring harness, and it's good platform. It's pretty sweet. I'm excited. It's gonna be a long-term project, so I hope you guys will stay tuned and watch the build. I'm definitely going to be taking off all these stickers and getting a new fender because it's pretty buckled. He did a horrible job rolling that, not gonna lie. But yeah, it was a full drift car. Yeah, so I'm gonna be building it throughout the next few years, and I'm gonna have a bunch of fun with it. Start making a little extra money and maybe turn this either show, track, and a street car, which is gonna be sweet. But yeah, just found that out. Looks like I need new struts. Well, I probably need new everything. I'm probably gonna get most of the stuff off Rock Auto, but do the energy suspension bushing kit, so at least have somewhat better bushings, because these kind of ones are kind of toast. But does have steering rack and everything, which is sweet. But yeah, so the price of this car, the gentleman was asking $450 for the car as it sits. So I obviously did not want to pay that much. I got him down to $350, which is pretty good considering that's somewhat scrap value of the car. If I was to get rid of it, I'd sell some parts off of it. I know it's just some pieces are good, but obviously I don't want to sell the car. I want this to be a project car that I can make from nothing to something. I always like seeing those, and I always want to have that car when I'm like 30 or even 40 years old that I built when I was younger. Obviously, I'm going to take my time on this, and I'm not going to do things half-assly. Excuse my language. But yeah, here it is. Yeah, he also gave me some new other parts, just so we can walk around the cars here. I am at my work. I do work at 7 Automotive in Beaton, Ontario. But yeah, so towed it with this beast. Yeah, so he gave me some extra parts. He gave me, I believe that is the front subframe or the rear subframe. Looks like the front subframe-ish. I like a spare one, but I know it has that brace there, which is pretty cool. He also gave me some tail lights. Not even for the car. So he gave me these ones, which I'm guessing from a 5 Series, like E36 chassis. And he gave me just one of these lights, which is kind of funny. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty sweet. If you like what you're watching, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be doing full either time lapses or how-tos or someone on this car. So yeah, I hope you guys like this journey. It's gonna be a bunch of fun. It's gonna be a lot of work, but it's gonna be a learning experience. I am an apprentice mechanic, or a technician, as you would say. So it's pretty sweet. Anyways, take care, guys.